Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. So today is $2 Tuesday. I've got to get a couple new sheets done for $2 Tuesday and put that up. And then I need to film some videos. And I should probably start working on new releases because I need them up by Thursday. We're leaving on Thursday night to go visit my family for my birthday. My birthday's on Friday. So yeah, lots to do. It is a shorter work week this week since yesterday was Memorial Day. So we have today, tomorrow, and Thursday to get it all done. So we just need to focus and get our work together. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be showing you guys all of that behind the scenes stuff. Yeah, we're just going to hop right in, and I need to start designing stuff for today. Okay, so I just finished getting all the $2 Tuesday stuff up. It wasn't that much just because I only designed one new sheet for $2 Tuesday because it had been requested, but everything else was already in the shop. I just had to switch it over to the $2 Tuesday section and put in the discount. Not really put in the discount, but change the price. So I kind of did that on purpose because I knew the end of the month was going to be crazy. So that way I didn't have to really worry about designing too much stuff. I feel like May has just been the craziest month in the best way possible. Like, my shop has done really, really well. I'm really, really excited and happy about that, but I've just been busy between my course that I'm coming out with, which you guys, in every single video I keep getting questions, and I promise you guys I'm coming out with a video explaining all of it. So, you know, I keep getting questions. When is it going to be available? When is it going to be available? I'm working on it. I'm hoping to have it launch sometime in June, but there will be a video with all the information before I launch. I'm so excited that you guys are excited about it, but I don't have all the details nailed down just yet. I have a really good idea of everything, but I don't want to release all the information until it's like solid, like this is how much it is, this is where you can purchase it, this is what you're learning in the course kind of thing. It's just a lot. It's a lot, but I promise you guys, I'm gonna have a whole video talking about it. Anyway, it's just been a crazy month with all of the stuff going on, but I'm super excited and I'm just, you know, trying to get it all done, but it's just been insane. You guys, I am so close to my monthly goal, and it is only the 26th, and I literally could cry. I'm just so grateful because I know that, like, I know businesses are struggling. I know the world is not great right now, and you know, I feel like stickers are not essential. They're not you know, you don't have to have stickers, you have to have food, you have to have, you know, clothes, you have to have all of these other things. And so, you know, I really thought going into everything that's going on, you know, and I try really hard not to talk about it because I want my videos to be a place of positivity. I want you to be able to escape from everything, but I also want to talk about this because I'm just so grateful. So going into all of this, I really thought, you know, my business was really going to take a hit. And I didn't go into it like in a negative way, but I was just like, okay, things are going to be a little rough for right now, but I have everything that I need. James is still working. We're still going to be okay. And, you know, like even my parents' business, they're doing okay, but they have, you know, taken that hit because of everything going on. And so I've just watched different situations for people that I love just be really hard. You guys, I'm sorry, I'm getting all emotional because my business has actually grown through all of this, and it means so much to me because you guys know I talk about how James and I don't really need me to work to make it. Like, he has a really good job. We're really, really blessed. But seeing all this happen to people that I love not being able to go to their job, not, you know, having what they need has been hard. I'm sorry, I'm crying. And so I've been able to like know that I can help them because my business has been growing and doing really well. And I'm so grateful for that, because if I didn't, you know, if my business had taken a hit, I wouldn't be able to do that, you know. My business has grown, and this has been the best month of the year so far. And you guys are so supportive of me and my YouTube channel and my sticker shop, and you guys are asking about my course and you are so excited about it, and it just makes me so happy that strangers on the internet care so much about me and my business, and you guys are so excited about the course. And it makes me a little nervous because I'm just like, I want to do the very best job that I can do for you guys. Like, I want it to be 100% worth every penny that you pay. Sorry, they are mowing. But I'm just so grateful. Please know that every single order, every single comment, like, share of my video, it just means so much to me. I'm not talking about how my business is doing so well to brag. I know that it is a rough time. I know that some people have really been hit hard. But I do want to encourage you guys, if you want to start a sticker shop. I know, like, for me, if I like didn't have a sticker shop and I was looking to start a sticker shop, looking at what's going on in the world right now would really just like, I would feel defeated. I wouldn't want to even try. I would be like, what's the point? And I just want to encourage you that no matter what is going on in the world, like, you still should try and go for the things that you want to. You never know what's going to happen. You know, like I said, going into this, I really thought, you know, okay, nobody's going to be buying stickers. And then here we are. And again, I don't say that to like brag or downplay the situation. I'm literally saying, like, don't give up on your dreams because of what's going on. It's temporary. It will get better eventually. Like, the sun will shine again. I wish they'd stop mowing during my video. But I just want to encourage you guys, like, don't just say, oh, well, I can't start a sticker shop now because of everything going on. There's not a market right now. Things are bad. People don't have money. You know, don't give up. If you want to start a sticker shop, start a sticker shop. If you want to start, I mean, any sort of business, whatever you want to do, whatever your dreams are, do not give up because of what's going on right now. Don't let what's going on in the world defeat you and make you put a pause on your dreams, make you stop doing stuff, because you shouldn't let anything stop you. If you want something, then go after it with your whole heart. Whether it's a sticker shop, a t-shirt shop, a YouTube channel, I don't even know. Like, whatever you want to do, don't give up on your dreams. Don't give up on yourself. Keep going, keep pushing. You can do it. Now that I've had that little like moment, I'm gonna get back to work. I'm so grateful. I love you guys. Thank you so much for everything. Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to take all the orders to the post office, but I am done working for the day, so I figured I would go ahead and end this vlog here. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button, the bell notification. Make sure to click that you want to be notified for all so that way you never miss a video from me, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys!